The provisional agenda for...
Thank you, Mr. President, Excellencies, and thank you for the opportunity to take part in this briefing today. Mr. President, this Council is... And yet the number of people suffering from acute food insecurity reached 250 million last year. This is the highest recorded in recent years. Of these people, some 376,000 were facing famine-like conditions in 7 countries. Another 35 million people were on the edge. As in all crisis situations, women and children are the most impacted.